How is it going, guys? My name is Dane with Vyper Industrial. We just got done with a project actually with Glenn and Ellie, and honestly, I have nothing but great things to say about them. Their communication was amazing. Whenever we needed something, they would always respond within seconds. We did a complete website rebuild from scratch, all custom code, in 10 to 12 days. And I don't know if they're going to want me to say that, but they're great. Their quality is amazing. They took our design that we designed and made it exactly how we designed it. Functionality is superb. The site is 100% faster than it was before. Honestly, our site speed went from a D rating to an A+. Like, it couldn't get any faster. But yeah, hands down to Glenn and Ellie at EcomGraduates. They do amazing work, and I highly recommend them. We're going to continue to use them for every project that we do. So definitely recommend them. Go use them.